everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I've got a new ceramic hand foaming soap dispenser that I'm super excited to share with you. This is by Sylfu. It's made from high quality ceramic with a gorgeous gold top. It's the perfect addition to any bathroom or kitchen, adding a touch of elegance and style. Plus, it's super easy to refill because of its wide mouth and sealing rubber ring. And the best part is that nothing goes to waste. You can use the last drop of soap thanks to the long foaming pump. This is perfect for hand soap or dish soap. The ceramic color is a perfect match for everything. This soap dispenser has also helped me to save money because foam soap lasts longer and I can refill it easily. So, if you're looking for a great product at a great price, this is definitely for you. It's functional, aesthetically pleasing, and affordable. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.